How to make a horrible art video on TikTok in 10 easy steps. Step 1. Close-up shots always do the trick.
So nicely done.
Step 2. Repeat step 1 because you will use it as a thumbnail shot.
Good job so far, keep it up.
Step 3. Make sure you forget you're filming and painting at the same time. So have off-centered shots, move around a lot. As well, keep recording at all times.
And the canvas is to the left.
Step 4. Have horrible edits and still move that camera around a lot more. Step 5. Repeat step 3 and 4 as needed.
That's real professional looking, keep it up.
Step 6. Completely forget that you're painting altogether and get distracted by something. But remember to keep recording.
Where are you going? Are you going to finish the painting?
Step 7. Remember you're filming a painting. Then, drop your camera. Step 8. Just try and finish the painting.
Looking good.
Step 9. Just keep doing all those prior steps. Then add a distance shot.
Wow.
Step 10. Just post the video as is. No one cares about it anyhow.